Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Highguard not launching or crashing on PC. If Highguard crashes on startup or doesn't open at all, follow these steps one by one, and this should fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Highguard in your games list. Right-click Highguard and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game files. Once this process finishes, try launching Highguard again. Solution 2. If the game still doesn't launch, go back to Steam. Right-click Highguard and select Properties. Open Installed Files and click Browse Local Files. Now locate highguardclient.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game and see if it works. Solution 3. Next, open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest graphics driver, then try launching the game again. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app, go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once finished, restart your PC and test Highguard again. Solution 5. Now open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and look for x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Then click VC Redist x64 to download it as well. Locate the downloaded files. Double-click VC Redist x64 first. Accept the terms, click Yes, and wait for it to install. Click Close when finished. Do not restart yet. Now double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms, click Yes, and wait for it to install. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After completing all these steps, Highguard should now launch without crashing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.